Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to fix the starting the output failed. Please check the log for details error in OBS Studio. If you are also seeing a message about updating your NVENC or AMD encoder drivers, don't worry. I will walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. Let's get started. If OBS won't let you start recording or streaming and keeps showing this error, it's usually caused by an encoder issue, outdated graphics driver, or an incorrect output settings. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. Let's start with the quickest solution. Open OBS Studio. Click Settings in the bottom right corner. Select Output from the left sidebar. If your output mode is currently set to simple, change it to advanced. Set the video encoder to X264. Click apply, then OK. Now try starting your recording or live stream again. For many users, changing the output mode is enough to fix the problem. If you are still getting the same error, go back to the simple mode. Then set the video encoder to X264 for both streaming and recording. If you are still getting the same error, let's check your graphics driver. Open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your Intel, AMD or NVIDIA graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds a newer driver, install it and restart your computer. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, don't stop there. Sometimes newer drivers are available through Windows Update. Open Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Click Check for Updates. If you see any graphics driver or optional driver updates, install them and restart your computer. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, there is one more important step. Open your browser and search for NVIDIA app. Download it from the official NVIDIA website. Install the application. Once it's installed, open the NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers section. Click Check for updates. If a newer graphics driver is available, click Download. Choose Express installation and wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, restart your computer. Now open OBS Studio again and test your recording or stream. If the error still appears, you can switch to a different encoder. Open Settings again. Go to Output. Under the Streaming section, find Video Encoder. If it's set to Hardware NVENC, change it to Software X264. If you are recording videos, open the Recording tab and change the recording encoder to Software X24 as well. Click Apply, then OK. Now try recording or streaming again. Using X264 may use more CPU power, but is a great alternative if your graphics encoder isn't working correctly. If none of these methods solve the issue, make sure OBS Studio is fully updated to the latest version. You should also close any applications that might already be using your graphics encoder before launching OBS again. And that's it. You have successfully learned several ways to fix the OBS Studio starting the output failed error, including updating your graphics driver, checking for Windows updates, installing the latest NVIDIA drivers, and changing your encoder settings. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.